Bonnie, happy Wednesday! I am back! Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't get the Scooby-Doo song out of my head. It is just there. It won't leave. I just put another short up about the Goose Creek Scooby-Doo candles, but like the song won't leave my head, which is not a bad thing. Oh my gosh, we have so much to talk about today. I got some good videos. I got a new purse from Vera Bradley. I got to show you for Valentine's Day. And right now, I'm actually going to do a semi-annual sale video, Bath & Body Works. I know I wrapped it up, but I got to talk about the $1.87 refills. I'm also going to show you guys how to load one of the plugs. A lot of people are brand new to my channel. Welcome! But it's really hard to load these suckers. I learned years ago. I'm like, I gotta return it. It doesn't work. So I'm gonna go over that. But right now, oh my goodness, I think they just added a couple new ones. They've got like the Perfect Autumn, Vanilla Bean Noel, Christmas cider, all for $1.87. So my advice right now is if you want fall or Christmas Wallflower plug refills, buy them now, put them in a safe place, and then take them out for Christmas, because you're going to pay a lot of money for these at fall and Christmas, and they don't really change up that much. Like, there's not a lot of, like the packaging might change a little bit, but it probably won't, because you're using the pretty standard labels now. So this is like blue light special, Kmart blue light special, red alert. If you want these Wallflower plugs, stock up now. I've never heard of these going bad. I actually store mine in this cute little wooden box right here. And then I just take them out when I need them. I've tried to kind of cut down over the years because I would buy like all of them. And I had way too many. I mean, I would basically buy what you need. And then if you want to save some for like next fall, put them in a storage box that you're going to be able to find. That's the key. And then take them out in the fall, and then you saved a little money because then you don't have to buy them next fall. So if you like Christmas cider, marshmallow fireside, fa la la latte, the perfect Christmas, pull them out at Christmas. So they also have two of the plugs. They have the golden turkey, which is super cute, and the nutcracker, I don't know, things kind of weird. Those are $3.12. So if you've never tried the Wallflowers system, like the plug and the refill, get it now. It's going to cost you like $4.99. And if you like it, then you can be like, okay, I'll buy some new ones for spring and summer. And then if you don't like it, you only spent $5. So it's a nice way to test things out. So if you're brand new to Bath & Body Works, there's two pieces that you have to buy if you're going to try the system. You have to buy the refill bulb, they call them, and then you actually have to have a unit. There's a couple of different units. There is just a standard unit that all it does is heat up the oil. It doesn't light up. It doesn't do anything. Those are fairly inexpensive. You can pick those up for like $4.50. And then they have really, really like fancy ones that project on the wall. Those are like $30. They have the light up ones. They have the ones that don't light up. And then they have the scent control. The scent control is going to have a little button on the side here, and then it lights up for low, medium, and high. I think all of them are defaulted to the medium. And then if you want a little bit of like less scent, you would put it on low. And then if you want it a little bit higher, you're going to put it on high. They do work. I've actually kind of experimented with them. Like, say if you have like a eucalyptus spearmint, which I don't use that much, you might want to put it on low because you like the scent, but it's a little too intense. Or like strawberry pound cake, which you guys know I love. You might want to put that one on high because it's not always the strongest. So once you get the Duo home, what you're going to do is you're going to take off the ticket. I always save these. This has the scent notes on it. This is Caribbean Escape. It's tropical melon, raspberry nectar, and creamy coconut milk. And then there's usually like plastic on top of here. This is not a new one, so there's no plastic on mine. They're a little tricky to open. You have to find the serrated edge, and you got to peel the plastic off. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open this. Now, there's an arrow on top. I can't see the arrow because it's too small, but I say this in every video I do for Wallflowers. Throw righty tighty loosey lefty out the window because it's the opposite of what you think it's going to be. So you're going to take off the cap, and then what this is, it's simply just like a wick, and it goes from the top all the way to the bottom, and that's what pulls the fragrance oil up. Try not to break these. They're pretty sturdy, but once you get the oil everywhere, it's not good. So then what you're going to do is you're going to load this thing. Now, I got to show you the features on this. A lot of people don't know this. I love explaining this to people. The plug rotates. Yeah, a lot of people don't know that because in the bathroom or the kitchen, you have those sideways GFI plugs. You can't plug this in sideways. It won't work. So you always want to have it upright, but you can turn the plug on the back, and then that way, it'll match the unit, which is really good. So then what you're going to do is on the bottom, there is a hole here, and you're going to put the wick right in that hole. And I got to tell you, once in a while, you'll get a wick that's all like mushed. Take it back, exchange it, because they're kind of difficult to use. This one is perfect, but I've had damaged wicks before. So you're going to put the wick up here, and then you're going to have to play around with this a little bit, because again, it's the opposite of what you think it's going to be. So you're going to screw that in. Don't screw it in too tight. You don't want this thing to be so tight you can't get it out or you break anything. So then you've got the wallflower in the unit. You're going to plug it into the wall, and then you're going to set this side here. You're going to press the little button here on the side to do low, medium, or high. They start working pretty much immediately. So what happens then is it's going to heat up the oil a little bit. The oil is going to come out the top, and your room is going to smell like whatever scent you've got loaded. By the way, Caribbean Escape smells really good. It looks nice because it goes with my snowman here. I might plug this one in for a while. So how long do you last? How do you use these? I'm a little bit weird. So I plug these in on Saturday morning when I clean because I don't know why. I just like my house smelling really nice, and I'm running around cleaning, and I like to get my house smelling good, and I don't always want to light a candle because I'm running around and I'm vacuuming. I prefer the Wallflowers. So I usually plug these in about 4 of our rooms and get them going for about 4 to 6 hours and get the house smelling all nice, and then I unplug them. That's just how I use these. So what I do then is when I'm done, I just unscrew this, I take it out, I recap it, and then I put the tag back on, and then I put them in my box. And I feel like the scent lasts pretty much. It lingers for maybe a couple hours after, but I don't know why. I've just never been a fan of leaving these plugged in. It's just my style. A lot of people leave them plugged in 24/7. That's okay too. You can have your own scent style. I actually prefer in the bathroom, like in the garbage can or whatever, I use the concentrated room sprays. I like the room spray. I use those a lot. But these, like I said, I plug in probably maybe, if I have company coming over, which I don't really have much company coming over now, but when I did, I would plug one in before company got here. And, your house smells really good. And it's not like a candle burning, although I sometimes burn candles too, though. But the Wallflowers are super popular. A lot of people love them because they give kind of a nice, even scent throughout the house. Some scents are a lot stronger than others, and there's a lot of new ones that are coming out, which I always love it when the new ones come out. It's always exciting. Like I said, I have in recent years tried to slow my buying down because I'm not using them as fast as I'm buying them. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to save that money for something else. So Among the Clouds, which is the new scent, is out. Sapphire Quartz, Lavender Vetiver, Golden Honeycomb. I think I am going to get a Golden Honeycomb though. That's the new candle that smells like honey and vanilla. I'm like, that would be really nice as a Wallflower. So I might get that one. I prefer the fruity scents in the Wallflowers. Although I gotta say, I have a slight problem when it comes to Halloween. I have all the Halloween Wallflower plugs because they're cute. I always buy them. So they're a fun thing to collect. So again, if you want to start a holiday Bath & Body Works collection, I suggest picking up the Wallflower plugs when they're on sale, like right now. And then just adding to your collection, because then if you start a collection now with the Christmas, then you can pull these out at Christmas. No one's going to notice, like, it was last year's. And then if you always buy them at 75% off, you're not really spending that much on your collection. So that's kind of how I would do it. Anyway, let me know. Are you a Wallflowers fan? Do you like these? I will be back later. I got a lot to talk about today. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.